Hi, I'm with Rahul Lodhe, Global Head of Engineering at SAP. Hi, Rahul. Thank you for taking the time. How's it going for you so far here?
Excellent. I think it's a pretty amazing event. You see a lot of run around with people and the lot of knowledge sharing. It's a pretty open environment, right? Where the startups are coming, enterprises are coming, people are discussing on the many topic. And that's what you need to have some kind of event where people not only come learn, but also network together to really make a best out of it for the industry.
Right. So I think you've noticed that a lot of discussions on how AI can be implemented at an enterprise level. Can you talk about some of the initiatives at SAP, to what scale AI has been implemented, and what is the next project that you're working?
Oh, excellent. I mean, that's a topic very dear to my heart, I would say. So I have been driving AI for SAP Labs India, especially about last 5 years. I am heading the AI topics here, and this year onwards, I am a global responsible for adopting the engineering part of the co-pilot at SAP, something we call it a Joule.
Yeah.
So SAP has found very unique, a unique place after the Gen AI came in the picture, right? So we are not very clear that we will not compete with the creating another large language model, or we not make it like what the others in industry, but look at very strategically that how I can make the best read out of it, right? The AI is, I would say, more closer to my heart in the SAP world, so actually, because I have been now driving the change for building this co-pilot called Joule in the AI, which has the unique proposition because it's like going to be a single co-pilot which work across the different application. So, for example, if I am in my HR application where I want to see my pay slip, I want to see my positions, I want to see my team, and I just ask co-pilot that, show me all the team members, show me somebody's profile, somebody's birthday coming up there, and at the same time I have to see my pay slip, and just show up in the single window. But as my role in the organization, I'm also the procurement manager. They say, oh, can you show me last 5 high value purchase order created? Will also show me, the Joule will show me in the HR system directly. Or vice versa, my HR is in the procurement system doing certain work, and I remember that, oh, my business travel is coming up, and now I have to create my flight ticket. And I can ask just Joule that, hey Joule, can you just create the flight ticket for me? You connect to the Concur system, propose me information, just create the flight ticket for me, being in the system. So that's the beauty of making the AI capabilities or the natural language capabilities, bringing the co-pilot way and orchestrating all the systems together. And that's a uniqueness that where SAP found it to be, I think the proposition that we can really make the user experience differential for the customer and take the advantage of the AI. At the same time, we kept it very open from architecture point of view, because we are not building our own LLM, as I said, but we are kind of creating some kind of fine-tuned model. We are creating some kind of foundation models with the context of SAP business processes that we have. So second, we are building small models which a way can get to the right business context, and we use the power of a large language model with the NLP, which they are looking at the different aspects of it with the multi-agent aspects also we need there. So that was a cool time to be there to make things happen. Yeah.
So that's why you brought up the agent thing. So that's one thing I want to talk about. I think in the last few weeks, you had Oracle, Salesforce announcing a lot of agentic workforce.
Yeah.
So is that something SAP is also going to be going big on?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think it's a work. I mean, the way you look at now, what more you can do with the LLMs, right? So I think we have been already there for last now about it sounds like a decade, but it's just a year when things started. But the LLM got to its limit where we can just do conversation, summarization, action-based, intent-based discussions. But now people want to look at more than what we can do. And that's where the agent and agentic workforce comes in the picture. Where maybe the SAP system is more relevant because if I'm the recruiter and I just want to get my end-to-end recruitment process done by somebody else, there's a lot of more job I do. Yeah. So it's not that point-to-point to one solution, but make it happen. So I would say, I get this coming. The SAP ticket is just around the corner. In first you go October and you will see a lot of announcement on how SAP is leveraging the agents and agentic frameworks and the how the applications are leveraging that as well in the context of SAP to make it happen. So I think it's a given that applications would have to go beyond the commercial part and use the agentic capability which comes with the large language models as such.
So you're the global head for the engineering for SAP. So and you're based out of Bangalore. So out of India having a global head, is that something? I mean, what I've seen is in other enterprises, you have someone sitting outside India manage it. So how is SAP enabling this, or why India in particular, like having a voice of promise?
Yes. So I think I knew the fine question. Yeah. No. But I think SAP has been, I think, culturally also a global organization, right? I mean, though it's based out of Germany, but it's a global organization that with a global mindset as well. A lot of product owned out of India. We have about now 15,000 workforce in India. I think 10 plus thousand are development organization. They say a lot of cross these aspects happen out of India. I think India is the only location where we have all the line of businesses represented from a development point of view happen end-to-end story. So there are a lot of I would say passion and energy and product portfolio impact happen out of India for overall SAP space, especially in AI as well, right? So AI is an important portfolio for SAP and we impact for to make it happen in the larger way. So as well as being driving topics from India concerned there, I think it's all over the place. Same, when you have ownership of a product, you need to make the engineering happen. You have to think of a end-to-end perspective. You want to get to the cutting edge, what happening outside your stakeholder all over the world. Yeah, and then you need to be thought leader in this things. So I don't see any different being there. We are I think as a company and as a culture, I think we evolve that way. There's empowerment across all the sites that we have. And, yeah, it's just to be honored to be that this.
All right. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting.